Hey, what's up guys? Chris Coombs here running my video for the Luis Robert 3-card lot. So we got our list right here. We got Greg for one, Mark for one, Scott for one, Knowles for one, Scott for another, Greg for another, Mark for another, Greg for another, Greg for another, and Cowser for the final one. Copy that list there. We are coming down. We're going to go live. Live time 7:39, current time 7:39. Alright, gonna roll the dice. Anything over Snake Eyes, and we're going. Time is 7:40. Dice roll. 6 times. Good luck, everybody. First time at 7:40. We got Greg, second time. Marky, third time. Cowser, fourth time. Mark, fifth time. Cowser, sixth and final at 7:40. Winner is Cowser. Takes it with spot number 10. Wow. That's just been quite the run for you, Mr. Cowser. We're going to have to find a way to stop this from happening. This way, there's our verification code. We're going to run down here. Congratulations, Scott. Sorry, everybody else. Why am I writing Cowser? I'm extremely tired still, so bear with me. I figured I'd run this because I have to be at work. I have to leave in like 15 minutes, so I wanted to get this done beforehand. Done time 7:41, 7:41. Have a great day, guys.